Okay, now we introduce the spare part for the CTL69. Okay, this is the band tie for lipolaser and the 3 glasses for lipolaser pads, and the band tie for the double trim working handle. This is the fat caliper. This is the working handle for double chain, and the cryo handle, and this is the vacuum RF working handle, and this is the screwdriver for installation the machine, and this is the Shockwave working handle, and its tips for this handle, and this is the cavitation and the tripolar RF. This is the lipolaser pads, and there are 4 big pads and 2 small pads. And this is the foot pedal for Shockwave and the power line. Okay, when you receive this machine, first step, we use this tool, use this installation tools to install the screw here. The first step, this is the first step here. And then the second step, we install here. Use this tool also to tie these 2 parts. Okay, this is the second step. Okay, the third step is install this part. For this part, we need to tie the screw, tie these 2 grooves first, and then install this part. Okay, and the next step is this part. The same installation, we need to use this tool and tie the screw here. And for this part, we can use the screw like this through this hole, and then to install like this, the same as the other one. Okay. Okay, the next step is install these 4 screws here. Okay, and then this part is finished. And then next, we install this part. Also use the tools to install these 2 screws here. Okay, the last step is install this screen, operation screen. Okay, first we have to install these 4 screws first. Okay, and then next step is these 2 screws here, and the last step is these 2 screws. When you install this part, the last step, final step, is insert this part, and we should match the tip inside this hole, and then press. You will hear a sound. When you want to remove this screen, first you have to press this silver button first, and then pull out. Okay, now we install the vacuum RF working handle. Before installation for this handle, we have to press these 2 white buttons first. Press, and make sure these 2 tips must be up. Okay, then we insert, match the hole, and then press. You will hear a sound, then this working handle is well installed. And when you want to remove this working handle, press these 2 white buttons first, and then pull out. Okay, now we install well. Okay, this is the cryo handle. The same operation for of this working handle. The first step is press the silver button first, and make sure this 2 tip is up, and then match the hole. Press hear sound. Okay, and now we install the lipolaser pads. Before installation, we have to make sure this hole matches to this hole. For example, okay, when you match the hole, just press and then tie. Tie it. Okay, then finish. And the others are the same. Okay, next step, we install the tripolar RF working handle. The same operation, we should match these 3 tips to this hole, and then you will hear a sound. When you want to remove this working handle, first press this silver button and then pull out. Okay, we install. And next is the cavitation. Same operation. Okay, match the hole and then insert. You will hear the sound. And then next, we install the shockwave therapy. And the same, we match the hole and then finish. And then next, we install the foot paddle. The same operation. Okay, finish. Okay, when the wastewater is beyond to the 2/3 liquid of this bottle, we have to clean the wastewater bottle. First, we have to work like this, and then the bottle is loose. Then we can clean the wastewater inside. And when you install again, okay, the wastewater bottle match the above position, and then this is the cup for inject the water. When before doing this machine, we have to inject full water inside. Now we introduce how to inject water. First, we have to insert this tube to this hole. Before installation, we have to press this silver button first. Make sure this tip is up, and then insert. Then you will hear a sound. When you want to remove this tube, press the button first and then pull out. Okay, we insert first, and another tube should insert to the water overflow hole. Then we can inject water here. And when the water is full inside, the water will come out from the overflow hole here. And when you want to release the water inside, we should insert this tube to the outlet hole, water outlet hole. Okay. And now the machine is full of water, then we don't need to do this step. Okay, now we enter into the operation screen. We choose English, and this is the Cryo+Lipolaser working handle. When we enter into this interface, we can adjust the modes here. This is the continue mode and the pause mode. You can choose depend on your requirement, and the vacuum adjustment here. Temperature. The lowest temperature can reach to the -16, and normally we will start from the -5. Okay, and the treatment time adjust here. Okay, when you finish this parameter setting, press start and press this blue start button, then the handle will be worked. Okay. And the next working handle is the shockwave. You can choose the treatment area which you prefer, for example, which is this one, and you can set the frequency and the energy here, and then press start. It's okay. And the next working handle is the tripolar RF. The same, adjust the power and the treatment time. Press start. It's okay. And the next is the cavitation. The same operation, adjust the energy and treatment time. Press start. Okay, the next working handle is the vacuum RF. You can adjust the vacuum here, and the modes, continuum modes and the pulse modes, and the power setting and the treatment time. Press start is okay. And the last one is the Lipolaser. This is the port and the time setting, and the energy setting is here. Okay, this is the pulse mode setting. You could choose or not, and then start. Okay, now we will start the shockwave treatment. Before doing the treatment, we have to set the parameter on the operation screen first. For example, now the frequency we choose 5, and then press start button. Okay, before doing the treatment, we have to also press this foot paddle like this, and then start the treatment. Okay, the next treatment we will do the cavitation. Before doing the cavitation working handle, we have to put the gel on the treatment part. Like this. Then setting the camera. Okay, we set the parameters for the cavitation working handle. Normally we start from the lowest level, the lowest energy first. If your client can accept, we can increase the energy step by step. Okay, treatment time, and then stop. Okay, now we start the treatment. You can increase the energy if your client can accept. Increase step by step. And for the cavitation treatment, the treatment time is normally 15 to 25 minutes. Okay, the next treatment is the tripolar RF working handle. Okay, the same. We setting the parameter first. Also start from the lowest power. Treatment time. Press start. Okay, before doing this treatment, we have to also put the gel on the treatment area. Okay, for the RF treatment, normally the treatment time is 15 minutes to 25 minutes. Okay, the next treatment is the vacuum RF working handle. Before doing this treatment, we have to use this essential oil on the treatment part first. Just like this. Setting the parameter on the operation screen, such as the vacuum and the modes. We will use the continuous mode first, and the power start from the lowest level, and treatment time. Okay, treatment time is normally from the 15 to 25 minutes. Also, press start. Okay, now we start the vacuum eye treatment. Okay, the next treatment is the Lipolaser treatment. We choose the function here, and then setting the energy here, and then press stop. Okay, now we should put this Lipolaser pads on the treatment part. For example, you put it like this. You can also use band tie to tie it. Okay. Use the black color band tie to tie it, and then when everything is ready, you press the start button, and the treatment is start. And the treatment time is normally 30 minutes. Okay, the last treatment is the Cryo+Lipolaser treatment. Before doing this treatment, we need to use the anti-freezing membrane on the treatment part. And then we should make sure that the membrane contact your skin. Like this. Okay, then we choose the function on the screen, and normally we will use the continuous mode first. And the vacuum. Okay, for the vacuum, we will start from the 40, and the minus. We start from -5, and the treatment time normally we will setting to 45, and the last 10 or 5 minutes we can use the pulse mode to relax your muscle. Okay, relax your skin. Okay, setting the 45. The same. Start. And then we should press the blue button on the working handle at the same time. Okay, put the working handle on the treatment part is okay. And these two cryo handle can work at the same time. It means that you can put this double chain handle on your double chain, and then they work at the same time.